Hello. Okay, there we go. Let's do this. And is it recording correctly? I think it is. Yeah, okay. Let the computer catch up. Hey, Leak. All right. Mark her
Yes,
president.
Tyler.
Oh, all right. Mhm. Okay. I think I gotta do this. Couple seconds. Mm-hmm. You know what? Okay. Oh, shush you. All right. Yes, yes. I know. I know. Okay. So we're gonna go through our norms and everything and discuss what we're gonna do for today, like or what's necessary, how this day's gonna work, logistics. So let me come down one. First in the list would be Miss Vernon. Can you read what's on the screen there? All the norms. Alika, you there?
Yes,
Oh,
which norms?
both of them. She said yes. Both of them, Alika.
No one has the right to hurt another person, education in a class, our sacred rule that we behave in a way that discredit ourselves, our school, our family, and excel. Academy student always ask for their take. We take pride in Excel Academy of Southwest. We respect the opinions of others. We respect the culture of the classroom. We are attentive and participate. We have high expectations of ourselves, our peers, and our teachers. We are here to focus on preparing ourselves for post-secondary.
Very good, very good. All right. That's 24, Alika. So yeah, GGI is today. That's how you can get some other points. A lot of people are starting off kind of good, turning into work. So keep up it, keep it up, and you're gonna find out how today is gonna go and why it's essential to do your work on time because you'll have more time to do other things. But try to attend GGI. It's at 11:15 a.m. If you need the link, it's in EDSB, or you can reach out to any of the teachers via EDSB message, and they can provide you with that link, or just talk to anybody that you know at the school. So that's today. Um, these Raspberry Pi kits are going to be very important in all classes. For the physics students, there's temperature, I think humidity test, light test, sound, and even programming of the Sense app to help you understand how science works in the real world. So if you don't have your kit yet, you're going to be, they're very disappointed because we are going to be using them maybe next week in the middle, I want to say. So schedule a time to come to the school to either have your kit replaced if it's damaged or get your kit if you don't already have it. All right. And also, if you do have it now, you might want to start getting ready to connect it. If you message me on SB, I can send you that 4-minute video again. It's real easy to set up. You might want to just leave it connected. A lot of I don't know students have broken it easily because they just didn't leave it connected. And it's really easy to break that thing. It's very delicate and expensive, but it'll get you through life and in terms of college or jobs. So schedule. All right, so Jalen, can you read this screen? This is actually happening tonight, y'all. And there's a lot of points for this as well.
Usually Thursday lunch call from the convenience of your home and get extra credit for some of your classes. The pandemic's effect on a coding job market. While learning to code is surprising more benefits of coding. The rest of the job out hitting the link at 4 p.m.
All right, that's good. That's good. Okay, let's go here. Yeah, Mr. Carson's missing, so I don't know. All right, so Alika, can you take this one? We're gonna seesaw it, as Rush would say. This is for 10 points, I think.
Okay. Daily tax students will be able to complete physical.
It's okay. Keep going. Oh, she's trying to work with her. Are you able to continue, Alika, or you got busy for a
And
second?
ASB,
Oh,
hello all. Let's bring assistant students. Welcome to class inside of SB. You can access the pre-recorded videos of each class. These videos are normally ready to review by 4 p.m. daily.
Very good, very good. All right.
I'll take this
Now,
pacifier.
this is physics real quick, right? And I think some of you have already finished the assignment. I'm gonna take a look in a second and see who did what. But Jalen, can you take this one? It's pretty much the same as yesterday, but since asynchronous day, I thought I'd refresh your brains with the new word for today.
Today's objectives will be able to evaluate the equation for average velocity with respect to change in distance and elapsed time. On physics, what components of today's average velocity or today's congenial?
Congenial. You got it. Okay. So everybody, if you can, real quickly, because the quicker we can do this, the quicker we can move on with the day, because this is asynchronous. And, I got to make sure you know everything you got to do before we leave. So I'm gonna leave it up there because you're gonna need those words. If you have the definitions, this is like an exit slip. You have the definitions of those words included in your other assignment. You resubmit it, you'll get 25 points. So that's if you remember to do that. But it is an exit slip that I want to remind people of. So looking at this, I'm just gonna look at my kit and do this because it's faster than my computer. So this is why you guys need your kits too, by the way, because you're struggling, you'll be able to do it. So I'm looking at Jalen, you're done, and Alika, you're done, but I'm gonna review it, and if you get a lower score, you can still go back in today and fix it. So I'm gonna try to grade it right now. And thank you for turning your work in. A little bit late, but you turned it in nonetheless. So it's not gonna pile up on you. Now, I think that was pretty much it. Did you guys want to do a data talk, or you know what your scores are? Now, next week I'm going to be forcing the data talks. But if you don't need to know it, that's fine. You can look inside, and some of those scores will be changing. But does everybody know what to do at this point? Because we're going to move to the end of class where you guys can log off. And again, this is asynchronous, so you can come back and ask me questions if you're stuck on something. If you're caught up in my class, do not use this time as a relax. You might want to, like if you did the assignment, Alika and Jalen, which you did, you can use this time to catch up in other classes. That's how asynchronous works. So don't think, okay, I'm good in Tyler's class and I don't go back and do something I need to do for, I don't know what your classes are. Get caught up so you don't have to worry about it. So I'm going to go around the room. Jalen, are you good? Any questions? Mr. Stucky, are you there? Oh, okay.
I'm good.
Okay. Lika, do you have any questions? Okay, I think she might be busy with the baby. Jalen,
I'm
can
sorry,
you?
I didn't hear
Oh,
you.
no, I said, do you have any questions? We're about to let you
No,
guys.
the summit on SB, right?
You did the assignment. Yes, it's there. I got to review it though.
Okay.
And all I was saying is, you think your score is too low? You can ask me questions on SB or whatever. But I was just making sure you had any questions before we move to dismiss, and you guys use your asynchronous time to get caught up in other stuff.
Now I have questions.
Okay. So Jalen, can you read the objective one last time, and we're going to be through.
Today's objective to be able to evaluate the equation for average velocity with respect to change in distance and elapsed time. Welcome. Let me turn this average velocity and where today's congenial.
Congenial. Yep. All right. So 11:15. Everybody knows how to get to GGI, right? Now I can put the link in the chat for you. Do you have the GGI information? Do you know where to find it in SB? Is that a nod, Jalen? Alika?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So you know where to go to get GGI. What about you, Alika?
Yeah.
Okay. I should see you guys over there. It's 5 to 10 points for just being in the conversation. All right. All right. So you're free to go, and you can come back if you got questions for me or you get stuck. I'll be here until 11:10. See y'all at GGI. Okay.
Yo, what's up, Mr. Tyler?
'Hello, sir. 10:31. All right. Were you able to finish the assignment or no? Are you there?
The one from yesterday?
Yes. Are you able to make corrections to it or no?
No, I ain't even make the correction.
Okay. Well, your score is like remember it's in SB, so I don't want put it out there. But are you see everything in SB? Okay.
Yeah, I'm seeing it.
Okay.
Uh,
So what score do you have? I just want you to be sure we're on the same page currently.
you said what score do I have?
Yeah, this is me making sure it's working on your end.
65%.
Mhm. Okay, so I'm gonna need you to correct that because the next assignment is gonna be posted tomorrow. Today is asynchronous. Do you know what asynchronous is?
Yeah,
Okay, explain to me what that is. How does it work?
it's where you come in class and check in. Then you're supposed to go off and do some of your work.
Okay, all right. So you know what's required of the asynchronous time. That's every Wednesday, and I think it's across all boards. So you should be checking with all your teachers today when you have class with them, and they let you know where you're at, and you're supposed to use this time to finish up on anything you haven't done. Because so once you finish my stuff, and you know you don't have stuff done in other classes, don't think you done after you make those small corrections. And let me know in SB because you can log in and tell me, or you can just send a message to SB. I'm done with it, and I can go and change that score. Can you read what's on the screen there? That's for 20 points. Just give you some points on the board.
Student today's objective. Students will be able to evaluate the equation for average velocity with respect to change in distance and elapsed time. Welcome. Classroom term of the day is average velocity. Word of the day, congenial. Con,
Congenial.
congenial.
There you go. All right. Now, do you know this class recordings are there too, right? In case you need to review anything. Um, I think that's it. You got your score. You know that. And GGI is 11:15. Do you? That's the other thing. Do you have the GGI link or no?
You said what?
Do you have the GGI link?
I don't know. It's in the Asby somewhere.
Okay, I'm gonna put it in the chat. Try to. Do you know how to bookmark stuff? Like
Yeah.
save links. Okay, give me a
No,
second.
not. And it's at the top of the screen.
I you mean an SB? You mean like the information for it?
No, to bookmark stuff.
Oh yeah, so bookmarks, yes. It should be somewhere up there. You look for a category called bookmark. Make sure you have open the link up. Don't go in the room yet. But at 11:15, if you have already saved, you could just I got logged back in. You can just use that bookmark to get in there at 11:15. And I give out points to students um, for participating in the discussions they have. So that's what I'm telling you about it. It's not just for your health. It's also mandatory. Y'all should be there. But a lot of students are, I don't know. It's only like maybe 30 minutes at most. Like it's not a lot of y'all time. Y'all still get time to eat and stuff. If it was in the building, it'll be mandatory. Let me grab the link for you though, and where you'll have that, and then you're gonna be free to go. But let's see here. So once you finish the corrections, just download it as a PDF and put it back in there. I'll see it posted, and just let me know you did that. And here's this. Can you read this for me? I want to make sure you understand what to do. Oh, see that there in the chat?
It say townhouse and GGI is mandatory for all students life skills class. Also, there are tons of awesome opportunities that students can take advantage of. Log in today and gain some extra credit for participating. See you there. Let's code is later on today. Zen.
Very good. Now you see that link. This was telling you to bookmark. The first one is my classroom link. That's going to be useful later. But that second link is the one I want you to bookmark the most. Okay. So Make sure you bookmark that link and use it at 11:15. You can get in there as early as 11:10, and see you there. That's all I had for you. So you know what you got to do. If you got questions, you can come back in this room. I'll be here until 11:10. But use this time to get caught up in your work. That's all I would say. And see you in GGI. Hello, Mr. Tatum. What can I do for you? Khalid, are you there? Okay. You're in the wrong class, Khalid. So, all right.